This week on The Spotlight, we've got the absolutely brilliant stand-up, Mr. Andrew Barr!
Hello. Yeah, no, thanks for that. No, I needed it. Needed that. I had a dent to the ego the other night. Me and my wife were in bed together, right? She rolled in for a cuddle. I remember thinking, that's a bit 2016, innit? Then suddenly, she said, oh, I've got to get off. Your heartbeat's getting on my nerves. Your heartbeat is getting on my nerves. Just the sound of me living pisses her off. Been married that long now, I've got no friends. I haven't. All we do is visit married people. What do you think of this? There's a couple we know, right? Bloke's 50, he's married a 30-year-old. Now, this is how I know he's not my proper friend. We go around there, I'm expected to not make any jokes about that. Right, if that was your best mate you grew up with, you would say the most offensive thing you can think of. If he cries, it's a bonus. No, we're sat there all night making grown-up conversation, just going, oh, the house prices in this area are unbelievable, aren't they? I know, disgusting, isn't it? Do you know how much a three-bedroom... Just sat there all night in my brain thinking, when you were 20, she was a baby. What? I'm not allowed to say it? Well, you'll be happy to know, everyone, recently, I cracked. Couldn't hold it any longer. What happened was, went round there, he'd just done a speed awareness course that week, been done for speeding. Couldn't stop myself. Said, oh, yeah, what did you do? 15 or 30? I'll tell you how I think we can achieve proper sexual equality in the world. What's holding us back, I think, the words we use. Our vocabulary is so masculine, it reinforces a male dominance and pisses women off. Think about it. There's male words in everything. Even the word female has got male in it. Woman has got man in it. Lady, lad in it. Even lesbian has got Ian in it. And Les. Every job title's masculine. Policeman, fireman, postman. What do postmen deliver? Mail. All through history. First words on the moon. What did he say? One small step for man. One giant leap for mankind. Imagine if he said that today. The abuse he'd get on Twitter for that. Buzz Aldrin would have been edging out a shot like, good luck with that tomorrow, Neil. They are going to lose their shit on loose women over this. I don't see why he couldn't have said human race. Good point, Carol. Tell us how to think. Anything that's physically or emotionally unpleasant for a woman has got a male word in the name of it. Time of the month. What's it called? Menstrual cycle. Women get to a certain age. What do they go through? Menopause. Oh, it's the men a pause, is it? Maybe they can do it then. Give me my fan. After the menopause, some women have that operation. What's that called? Hysterectomy. Who's it done by? Gynecologist. So after the menstrual cycle, go through the menopause, have a hysterectomy by a gynecologist. What female words are there? Herpes. Thanks for listening. My name's Andrew Barr. Cheers.